YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Excuse the headphones on. We gonna try this mic thing out. But as you can see, we in Chicago, we in the middle of Wicker Park. We done been here before on one of the YouTube videos. Right now, we at St. Alfred. Your boy won a raffle, his very first raffle at St. Alfred's for the Pharrell Human Races, baby. We gonna go ahead and pick them things up. They didn't have my size, but I'm gonna pick up a pair for my mans, you know, get the oop, and we gonna go ahead and pick this pair out. We gonna review it. We gonna see what we like about it, what we don't like about it. You know, I know I've been gone for a minute. A lot of stuff happening in the life, man, you know, but we back with the jump off, man. So bear with me. We gonna try to keep this thing a little bit more consistent, you know. Let's make it happen, let's get it. Also, while we in here, we gonna hit that raffle up for the Nike Air Max 1 Atmos that's dropping tomorrow. As y'all know, the boy gonna be out here. We gonna try to get my pair at any and all costs. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a little tough, but we gonna make that shit happen, man. So we entering the raffle in here. Maybe lightning can strike twice, and we gonna see what's happening, man. So yeah.
Don't think I overheard. Don't think I overheard. Yeah, dial on me. Yeah, remain low key. Yeah, fuck on me. Yeah, silently. Yeah, jog don't we. No, jog don't speed. Yeah, ride on lead. Yeah, driving with no keys. I can go do by
Take it to the people, man. See how this process works. Should be good. Yeah. You good?
ID and everything's gonna be behind the register.
All right, sound good. Bank don't fail me now.
Why? You would have from your house? This one.
Yo. We in there, baby. Made it. And we out, baby.
All right, so what's good, YouTube? We back. As you can see here, got in front of me, successful. You know, we went to St. Alfred, St. Alfred, Chicago, man. Picked up, today's treat. Get it out of the way. Pharrell Human Races. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. I was very excited. I know a lot of people took L's on these today, but I was very excited to get them, man. Unfortunately, I didn't get my size, so like I said, man, I'm throwing my boy my boy Nate Triple OG. We gonna throw him the oop on these, man. But I did want to go ahead and get this out and review this for you guys, man. For those of you, who may have picked them up and didn't pick them up, so we can get into a few details of the shoe. All right. Yeah, so first up, we got that young box action. You know what I'm saying? You see the Pharrell Williams Hu Holi NMD MC. This is a 9.5, and this is, of course, as I stated in the beginning, as I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, the black colorway. So if any of you have been following Adidas and Pharrell's, rollout of the shoe, the concept of this shoe, this particular shoe and colorway, are based around the Indian festival, the Holi Festival of Colors. Which Indians come together and they celebrate colors and love and things of that nature. I think like the colors, they all represent a different like cultural value and things of that nature. I think there was a really cool way to kind of tie different cultures into the to introduce different cultures of different countries around the world to the youth, man, that is out here copping these sneakers and really doing that. So I thought that was a very smart and dope move by Pharrell and Adidas, man, and it definitely made me all the more excited to kind of continue to support this Pharrell Williams line, as a lot of his message is centered around just the human race, equality, and just a lot of values and things of that nature that we should all aspire to follow. So definitely dope. So very plain box, you know, white standard, you know, Adidas box. You know, you got the Adidas and the Pharrell Williams branding right there, and on the top you got that Hu, you know, which stands for the human race. This particular box does have that 2018, as you can see it there, and a 3 on the top. Not sure what that 3 means on the top of the box, but you know, that is definitely there. So I mean, for, you know, the box heads out there, you know, shout out to my man DJ Dills. You know, not too, you know, fancy of a box, but shoe special enough. So I mean, let's go ahead and get into that. So all right, here goes, people. You know, we got the Pharrell Williams human race, and right off the back, man, the camera is definitely picking up the 3M reflective laces, man, which, you know, let's just highlight that just coming out the gate, man. I think that is a really dope touch. As y'all know, I'm a sucker for 3M, you know, 3M on my channel. So, you know, anytime we get that in the shoe, you know, whether it be laces or anything, man, you know, I'm all over it, man. But pretty simple shoe, man, for Adidas. You know, we got the all black prime knit upper. We have equality, you know, on the left, on my left side, on the left side of the shoe. And then I would imagine this is equality as well, written in the Indian language, a transcript, which, you know, I think that's just a very dope touch. You know, as you could probably, probably have seen today, I'm actually wearing human races, the tan joints with, you know, you got the breathe and the walk. So I thought that was really dope. Monochromatic, you know, just all black upper with the white stitching in the top. And then we highlighted with the purple, you know, hue, you know, just to kind of add some pop to it and add some color to it. And the inside of the insole, you know, a little different than the 1.0 series. We definitely have like that tie-dye print, you know, that just kind of symbolizes the Holi festival, where they, you know, they just kind of blend in a lot of colors with each other. I know a lot of the apparel was kind of the color palette was in this tie-dye fashion as well, especially, and, you know, actually the second 2 shoes as well, man. Black, all black outsole. I thought that was really cool. And so now for the left shoe, same color palette, same color structure, you know, boost, midsole, purple hits on the cage and the laces, and then the black outsole with a black prime knit upper, and then equality going up the middle of the front of your shoe, and that white stitching. The leather pull tab on the back, as you can see here. You know, pretty simple. You know, and then, you know, on the second pair, they also give you, you know, those alternate laces in the black colorway with the 3M reflective piping stitching going throughout the laces right there, which I think that's a pretty dope touch, man. But I mean, very simple, man. Very simple. You know, definitely dope shoe. You know, if you could pick these things up, man, I definitely suggest you do so. Hey, how about we get into a few detailed shots, and then I'll close it out with the final thoughts, people. You already know. Let's get it. So that's it for me, man. I think, you know, overall in general, man, a very dope kick. You know what I'm saying? Again, I really love the way that, you know, Adidas went on ahead and included the extra spare laces. For this to be a primarily black and white shoe, you know, we got the light and to have those light hits of purple. I think having these black laces will definitely, you know, make it a little bit more of a versatile shoe, man. So definitely a dope sneaker in my opinion, man. Again, my bad, it's been gone for a minute. Thanks for, you know, staying, you know, subscribe to your boy. Thanks for rocking out with me, and I promise we'll be back at it with that content, man, in a more consistent manner. But again, Adidas, Pharrell Williams, human races, you know, the 2.0, the second drop, you know what I'm saying, these new trail joints. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We checking out, baby. You already know how we rocking. Gang, gang. One.